Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Honda Jazz catalytic converter, easy method. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and raising the car securely on jack stands. Then loosen exhaust clamps near the converter before lowering the rear to access mounting bolts. Work patiently to avoid stripping hardware, spray penetrating oil on rusted nuts, and keep a tray for small parts. Follow each step and check fitment when reinstalling to prevent leaks and rattles. Remove any heat shields carefully to expose the catalytic converter and oxygen sensors, then unplug the sensors and keep them safe from damage. Use penetrating oil and a breaker bar for seized bolts, and support the converter to prevent sudden drops that could hurt you or the car. Keep hardware organized by type to simplify reassembly, and inspect surrounding gaskets and pipes for corrosion that might need replacement during reinstall. If you found these tips useful, please subscribe and like to support more DIY content and help others find this guide. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that makes the garage session feel a bit better, and it pairs oddly well with exhaust work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Once the converter is free, lower it carefully using a muffler stand or a helper to maintain control and avoid burns or injury, and inspect the catalytic core for damage or clogging. Clean mating surfaces and fit new gaskets where needed, then loosely assemble bolts to ensure proper alignment before final torque. Test for exhaust leaks after starting the engine and recheck fasteners once the system reaches operating temperature for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.